Thank you for joining this guided meditation session. This is an invitation to delve deep into your inner being, to explore the quiet corners of your mind and to find tranquility in the midst of chaos. As you embark on this journey, remember, this is a space free from judgment, free from the outside world, and free from the burdens that have been weighing you down. This is your sanctuary, your oasis of peace. Begin by finding a comfortable posture, whether seated or lying down. Ensure that you feel grounded and supported. Close your eyes, and let's travel inward as the world around you continues its usual hustle and bustle. Draw your attention to the gentle rhythm of your breathing, the inhale, the exhale, the ebb and flow that mirrors the waves of the ocean, the cool air as it enters, filling your lungs, the warm release as you exhale, letting go of all that no longer serves you. Visualize a serene lake, its waters calm, reflecting the azure sky. Your breath is that lake, and with each cycle, you're drawing from its tranquility. Let's dive deeper. Beyond this lake lies an ancient forest, a testament to time and resilience. Trees with thick trunks and sprawling branches stand tall, having withstood countless storms. Just as these trees have stood firm, so too can your spirit remain unshaken. You are strength, you are resilience, you are calm. Reaffirm these truths to yourself. Let them become your mantra, your anchor. As you wander deeper into this forest, feel the embrace of nature, the whispers of the wind, and the gentle rustle of leaves. This is the symphony of life, a reminder that even in stillness, there is movement, there is life. Take a moment to simply be. In this moment, there is no past, no future, just the eternal now. Let go of the stories, the narratives, the regrets, and the anticipations. You are here. You are now. Foreign. Now, as we prepare to transition back to the world outside, carry this newfound tranquility with you. Just as the moon retains its calm glow amidst the dark night, so too can your heart remain peaceful amidst life's challenges. Hold on to this feeling, this reminder that beneath the surface chaos, there is a reservoir of peace within you, waiting to be tapped into. Breathe in the serenity. Breathe out gratitude, and as we slowly draw this meditation to a close, take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time, for giving yourself this gift of mindfulness and peace. Emerging from this session, know that you are equipped with a tool, a sanctuary you can return to any time. Life's storms may rage, but within you lies an eternal calm. Open your eyes. Embrace the world with a renewed sense of peace, clarity, and gratitude. May you continue to find stillness in the movement, calm in the chaos, and light in the darkness. And until next time, walk in peace. Now let's embark on a new journey, one that transcends the boundaries of our earthly realm. Close your eyes once more and imagine that you are surrounded by a starry expanse. This universe, with its twinkling constellations and vast nebulae, is a reminder of the infinite possibilities that lie within and around us. Each star is a beacon, a story, a dream waiting to be explored. Feel the weightlessness as you float amidst this cosmic ballet. Allow your heart to resonate with the harmonious dance of the planets and stars. As you drift, feel the gentle pull of a particular star, its soft glow beckoning you closer. This star, unique in its luminance, is a reflection of your inner self, your soul's essence. Draw nearer and let the warmth and light of the star envelop you. As you bask in its glow, let its energy seep into your very being, illuminating every cell, every thought, every emotion. This radiant energy is a reminder of your own inner light, the wisdom and strength that lies deep within. Foreign. As you connect with this celestial body, ask it to reveal its wisdom. Listen intently, for each star, like each soul, has a unique tale to tell, lessons learned over eons of existence, What messages does it share? Perhaps it speaks of resilience, having ignited its light amidst the vast darkness. Maybe it whispers tales of interconnectedness, of how every element within it and within you was once forged in the heart of other stars. Feel a profound sense of unity, of belonging. In this boundless cosmos, you are not alone. You are part of an intricate tapestry of life and light. Allow these revelations to wash over you, bringing clarity, insight, and a deeper understanding of your place in the grand scheme of things. With gratitude, bid farewell to your guiding star and begin your descent back to the earthly realm, but not without a radiant trail of cosmic energy surrounding you. As you become aware of your surroundings, the room you're in, the ground beneath you, hold on to the celestial wisdom you've garnered. Let it be a lantern guiding you through the mazes of life. Now, as you slowly open your eyes, look at the world with a renewed sense of wonder. The same stars that dance in the heavens dance within you. You are made of stardust, of dreams, of infinite potential. Embrace this truth and let it propel you forward. You have the universe within, and with that knowledge, anything is possible. May your days be filled with cosmic wonder and your nights with starlit dreams. Until our next journey, be luminous, be boundless, be at peace.